Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I'm back with this really cute card kit again. I decided I would come back and do the other part of this particular sheet of card, decorative card kit. So anyways, I am going to grab this time, I think I'm going to grab the other background. Let me see, there it is. I had to dig it out. Plus, I forgot we have doilies, so we can do doilies, and I think that'll be fun. So let's just have fun. Let's layer this baby up and try something different this time. I still can't remember what the company is. It's like LR, LM, something like that, but I'm going to list it below. It was a company I had never ever used anything of theirs before, and I just thought, wow, I really love these. I bought some stamps on sale. They had some darling stamps on sale, and once we get out into the new craft space and I'm semi set up, I'm going to start a whole series on those stamps. They're just these cute little darling girl stamps, and I just think it'll be just so much fun to, you know, kind of do something new. I'm going to use my handy dandy Creative Memories tool and see if this is going to help me split this, because my nails are not working. Sure enough, took 2 seconds. Let me see if I have it all completely split out correctly, and I think I do. Alright, now, super cute. I just made this card that turned out so charming and so quick and easy. So I thought, ooh, well, I've still got a little bit of time, and then I got to get going here. I thought, ooh, let's use the rest of this baby up. So the next one is we're going to use this other little darling girl, and I want to layer her on that, on there. And I've got my foam tape, so I'm going to do that. And then for the inside, I think I'm going to use this cute little tag, because it's just cute. And I don't know, I might layer it on this flower. I know, I have nothing figured out until I'm here with you. I'm telling you. This is a quick and easy, first time, easy peasy card. So, second time. Actually, I did the other one, the first half, the other time. And look at all I have left. So, I may be able to go back and get some more out of that. So, this I think I'm going to use on the inside. Maybe on the outside. We'll see. And then this I will take on the inside. Okay. Let's get started. Oh, there's my other leaf. And the first thing I want to do is I have my card base that was a part of the kit. So I'm going to adhere down this particular background. I used a different one before. This time we're going to try this background. And here we go. So I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you guys are enjoying this. I may just make a series out of this and do each one of the cards, show you guys. These are such easy, cute kits. I mean, seriously, guys. Well, you know, my husband recently asked me on Father's Day, like, you didn't make me a card? And I was just like, sorry. So, and I was just like, I'm so sorry. I've just been running so much lately. And these are the perfect. Oh, I ripped it. Okay, again, this is not my Creative Memories. Oh, you know what happened? I had two. So, praise God. I'm going to keep this because I can use this. Yay. Okay. So we're going to start over, but I am going to keep this because I can use that torn one in my my prayer journals, you know, all of that. So I'm going to take it really slow and lift very. See, it's trying to tear again. This is not my Creative Memories tape gun. You guys can. I keep saying that. It's real. The struggle is real. I really like my Creative Memories tape gun. It doesn't. I know working with doilies it can be a little bit more difficult. This is a piece of foam that I had left on the previous, and I am just going to cut up off my roll. I get this on Amazon, and I bought the really thick one because you can just cut it up and use it the way you want to use it. So I'm going to do that, and then, and I keep getting it kind of stuck on me. What crafter doesn't have something sticking to them, huh? So, and these would be cute if you want to shush them up with washi, all kinds of stuff. And that doily, I don't know if you can see it, is so subtle, but in real life it gives it, I don't know, kind of dimension that's really pretty. And how easy was that? If you have the right tape runner. But anyways, Okay, she is so stinking cute. Alrighty, so I'm going to try to center her as best I can. Oh, so sweet. Look at that. Oh my goodness gracious. So, there was also some of this here for the bottom, but I don't think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to be happy with what I have here. Okay, and I might put this pretty flower. Let's see here. You know what? There is a smaller version. Let's go with the smaller. Maybe I'll put the bigger on the inside. Oh, that is so stinking cute. Alright, so this is a leaf, and then another leaf, and another leaf. So, let's see here what we can do with this. Alrighty, so I think what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to pop that baby up on a little bit. I don't know, though. I don't want her to be taller. I think I'm not. I think I'm going to go just with my, get all these kind of taped up and ready to roll. I'm going to put my flower down. And let me decide where I want to put the flower. Do I want to put it down here or up here? Right there. Ooh, I kind of like it right there. Okay, that's what I'm going to do because that's a little bit darker there. It kind of pops out a little bit better. Pops off the, you know, the paper. And I'm going to lightly put this here up underneath that because first I want to put all my greenery underneath it. And yes, that is so stinking cute. Okay, I'm going to put that one over here, just like that. I'm going to put that down. Now, I'm going to add something to this, so give me 1 second. Oh, where are my... I've got some half-back pearls, or half-back rhinestones. Hold on 1 second. I just bought them today. Let me see where I put those. I thought they were right. Here they are. They were right there. If they'd been a snake, it would have bit me. Ooh, I like that. Ooh, I really like that. Okay, I'm going with the pearls. Okay, friends. That is too stinking cute. And I think I'm going to go with the big pearl. So, I am going to see if my bumbly hands can do this. If not, I've got my Creative Memories tool, and I will use that. So, perfect. Oh my goodness, isn't that cute? Oh, for goodness gracious sakes alive. Oh, cute, cute, cute. Okay, so now on the inside, I am going to, I want this cute little tag that is just charming. And I'm going to put a little bit of that pink ribbon that I used on the other one. And it's probably going to be just in this basket because I think it's going to match every single card in this kit. And the other kit is pink too. I know. If y'all saw that video, you know it's pink. But anyway, so, alright, so I'm going to take it and I'm going to feed it through front to back because I like it to look a certain way. I know. And I know a lot of people who like it the other way. I totally get it. But I like the little trim on the top, that little round piece. To me, it just looks very finished. So I know I'm going to do that, and I know I want this flower too. So I think that's going to go down there, and that's going to go up here. I think that's what I'm going to do. Alright, sorry, I'm flopping it all around. Oh, that is so cute. Isn't that charming? Oh, wouldn't you love to get that? I know. It's so cute. Okay, let's go. Let's get this baby done. Alright, so I'm just going to put my quick and easy tape runner down. And I think I'm just going to go like that. And turn this one like this. I know. So cute. I'm just going to put a goodly amount. Uh-oh, I got some on there. So if that happens to you, you can just kind of rub it off and it'll come off. If your tape gets on things, you can also use some of the art gum erasers will help remove it. It's just, you know, don't panic. Alright, that is so cute. And then I'm going to put this cutie down here on the bottom. And then we're going to start fixing up that envelope for it. So, oh gosh. No, I think I'm going to stay with what I was going to do. So stinking cute. Wouldn't you love to get that? Oh, and she has the little cupcake there. So now let me get my envelopes. Hold on. I think, where are my envelopes? Here they are. Okay. Sorry, I was organized. But you know what happens with us when we start crafting? We just get so excited and start making messes. So now I could give her a sentiment. Let me see here. Do we want a sentiment on here? I love you're so special. Hello. Let me see. I could put it here or I could put it inside. Maybe I should do something inside. Let's see here. I love have a great day. Well, no, because if I was thinking I'd put it on that, but I love that. With love. Okay. And let me see here. I am gonna pop this up. I know. You're probably thinking, no, don't do that. But I think I am. Just because. Alright, so I just need a little bit. And I do have some of my Creative Memory foam squares, which would work perfectly on this, but they are not right here right now. And I got that too big, so hold on. Let me trim a little bit more off because we want it to stick well, right? Oops. And that just stuck to the scissors, but that's okay. I can fix that in a minute. And again, if you don't like the sticky here on the original sticker, the back of the original sticker, you can just use your embossing powder and it will take that right off. And I love, this says with love. How sweet is that? Oh, I love that. So cute. Okay, now let's find something fun for the envelope. Just, oh, you know what it's going to be? I love those cherries. It's either that or this. Maybe I should go with that. I think that's cute. Alright, there we go. I'm going to put this on the outside, making sure I have that there. Okay. The flaps in the right spot, if you wonder what I'm saying, that there. I'm just checking on the flaps. Because, yes, I have done an envelope upside down before. I admit it. I confess it right here. Okay, that's it. I'm done. How quick and easy peasy. Less than 15 minutes. We've got another card. Whoops, I got something on it. Another card ready to roll. And I don't care if you are 5 or you are 55. How sweet is that? Alright, my friends, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate the feedback. I am so thankful. Our channel is growing. I am in shock how much our channel has grown. Welcome all of our new friends. We have another drawing at 1200, and yeah, so come on back, invite a friend. We'd love to have them. And once we get 1200 subscribers, we will have our second big drawing. We'll have another one at 1400. We'll have another one at 2000. So, and the 2000s, when we hit 2000 subscribers, it's going to be big. So, all right, my dear sweet friends, I pray that your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Again, like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. I'd love to hear what you think. And I hope this encouraged you today. You do not have to make everything from scratch. Sometimes life lets us use the kits and it goes a little faster, right? So anyways, and right now I need kits in my life. All right, friends, I'll be talking to y'all soon. You guys take care. Bye-bye.